5 arm exercises for flabby arms. If you have been called bingo wings, high Helens, or flying squirrels, you know how awful it is to be called such mean names. Yes, people can be ruthless, and if you have flabby arms, you know how that hurts. In this video, I will share with you some arm exercises that can help you get rid of your flabby arms. When you have arms that jiggle, you might feel self-conscious in certain sleeveless outfits, or even try to hide your arms completely. The most frustrating part is that fat around the arms do not melt off so quickly. Thankfully, there are targeted exercises you can do for slimmer and more muscular arms. Do these 5 arm exercises for flabby arms every day and see just how quickly the right workout can produce results. Arm circles. Stand with your feet around hip-width apart. Extend your arms straight out to your sides, keeping them at shoulder height. Use your hands to make small forward circles. Repeat until you've completed 50 forward circles. Repeat in the other direction until you've completed 50 backward circles. Arm scissors. Stand up straight with your feet close together. Extend your arms straight out to your sides at shoulder level. Slowly swing your arms to your front and stop where your right hand overlaps your left. Pause for a second before going back to your original position where your arms are stretched out to your sides. Do the same movement, but with your left hand overlapping your right. Repeat the same movement and alternate between the two sides until you've completed 50 reps. Chair dips. Find a sturdy chair and sit on it. Slide your butt down to the edge of the chair. Hold on to the edges and plant your feet around 3 steps in front of you. Bend your elbows to lower your body down. Straighten your elbow to lift your body to your original position. Repeat until you've completed 15 chair dips. Half cobra push-up. Lie on your stomach with your palms on the mat at around shoulder level. Keep your shoulder pressed to your sides as you push your upper body up into a half cobra pose. Lower yourself back down before you lift yourself up again. Repeat until you have completed 30 half cobra push-ups. Plank up-downs. On a mat, start in a high plank position where you balance your entire body using your toes and palms. Keep your body as stiff as you can. Bend your right arm and rest your forearm on the mat before doing the same with your left arm. Then, straighten your right arm and prop yourself up on your palm before doing the same with your left arm. Repeat until you've completed 30 up-downs. These 5 arm exercises for flabby arms might be challenging at first, but do not give up. Within just a week of doing these exercises daily, you'll already notice significant results. That should be enough motivation to keep at it, to finally have arms that aren't just leaner, but stronger as well. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.